It is 4:48. We normally get up earlier, but we slept in a little bit. Super tired. Didn't go to sleep till late yesterday. Gotta get ready. Shower, shave. Well, shower after PT, but make our beds. All that good stuff. Alright, so normally in the morning, get up, get ready for PT. Forgot, I kind of gotta explain this stuff to you guys. Marine Corps told what to do, when to do it, what time you have to do it. So normally it's like shit, shower, shave. You could either, well, because we're at the period in our career where we can do it, we still told when to do it sometimes, but sometimes they're like, all right, you have a certain amount of time, you gotta be ready, so you gotta just get to it. But I gotta hurry up because we're about to be late. So after PT, which was some pull-ups and a nice little run, as you can see, you normally have like an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to shower, shave, get ready for work, go grab something to eat. Pretty easy now that we've been doing it for so long, but some people still manage to not make timelines. That's a big thing in the Marine Corps. Make your fucking timeline. It's not hard. You get told where to be, what to be wearing, when to be there. Just do that. Be a good dude. That simple. Today, we are going to be learning how to...
Come here, Yanko. Did you wash your hands yet? Come here, Yanko.
Tactical IV starter kit, needle. We gonna get stuck today. That's what we gonna do. I'm vlogging. He's just...
Fuck yeah.
I want to stab you. I'm gonna stab you like 500 times. Be like, oh shit. This is gonna be my buddy. I'm gonna stick you for what you said this morning. You hurt my feelings. He hurt my feelings. This man thinks I would do such things. Hurt my feelings. No, you're not my friend.
What?
You're not my dad!
Corporal. Okay. Those are small.
Hey, it's Lance Criminal.
Lance, alright, my bad. Lance Criminal. Look, the
We don't need
ugly little fuck, what was it? Little torpedo, or what did he call you?
little torpedo.
Little torpedo.
You're a little Mexican.
You'll see why later on in the video.
The tegaderm around the catheter. Not directly on the catheter, just so you can get an easy slide out.
Pull-up game strong.
Then, move your arm, bitch. You're gonna fold this so it creates like a pressure. You're gonna put that pressure on the vein. You're just gonna rip.
Oh!
My bad, I had that tegaderm.
Fucking pain.
So then, you're gonna, sorry, you're gonna inspect the catheter, make sure everything's fine.
Oh shit, it broke inside of him.
Then you're gonna, here, hold this.
In that instance, what would you do if it did break inside?
Let's take him to the ER.
Damn.
What would they do?
Surgery.
They could do surgery or do a lot of x-rays and shit.
This right here is Corporal Yancey. He's a good dude.
Okay.
Damn, head begs to differ.
Hey, ask about that letter I made.
No.
Hey, who's not sticking anybody?
Ask him about it.
What was the letter?
It was a hard
Perfect, come here.
It was
It was a good letter.
It was beautiful.
Why don't you come here?
We get the shortest dude here to hold the bag. Don't fuck me up, please. Just get it on the first try.
I don't know. I mean, your veins
hey,
it's just like get it in.
You can say you stuck it in here. Yeah, no.
I mean, that's just blood like sticking you.
Hey, is somebody gonna be watching at all to make sure that's good, right?
He's so scared right now. It's kind of
I
scary.
might just shove it all the way through his vein.
Yeah, can you watch him, Doc?
I feel like you bleed on pretty.
This is a quarter of my blood.
So we're gonna start with this side of the room first, just so y'all aren't over there shaking.
Yeah.
Okay, well, you need to like.
It's nervous and it's making me nervous.
I'm good.
All right,
God damn it, Caleb.
you can just use the same.
Oh, so we're reusing now, dog. Is that what we're doing,
It's
huh?
not a needle or line. Or
God damn. Hey, stop saying you're nervous. It's making me nervous. God.
Hey, what's your heart rate at?
It's gonna fuck bro.
73.
I say under 5.
How many people doing it? Hey, you need to calm down.
Yeah, bro, your shit's way too high right now.
Better start.
I want to do one of these, so I want to put
You about to kiss me?
Ultra Sunrise in the bag. Monster.
Maybe?
That'll put you straight into cardiac arrest. I swear to God.
That dude has a lot of veins to choose from.
Yep, bevel up. Go in at a 30.
Don't look.
Anchor the vein like this with your thumb.
Yeah, dude, don't look.
Look, this is a big, juicy shades right there.
Like that? No. I'd scoot it over just a little bit. Shift it over. Right there. Just go right there in the middle.
Just fucking yank. Stab
Go
it
in. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All right. See, now you got the blood flash.
Yes.
All right. Then with your other hand that you're anchoring with, you can release. Then you would start pulling the catheter in. 1 second. 1 second. I need the gauze. And then start to take the catheter out. Ready? Take the needle out. Quit advancing the catheter, but take the needle out. Like that. And then take out the catheter with some pressure right here. Go ahead.
Far in there.
And then hold pressure. Hold pressure.
Oh, pressure.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Hold pressure.
I'm not touching your blood.
Take it off.
Then
Oh, I got your blood on me. I got your blood on me.
give me that capsule right there. The capsule.
This?
Yes, give me the capsule.
I'm pretty sure he stabbed through your vein, dude.
What are you doing with that?
Let's see if we can get 3D.
Small the wide there.
Well,
It's about to go down.
God damn it, V, you're about to fuck me up.
You're gonna bleed.
You're gonna bleed a lot. He's warning you.
Don't blow on it. Don't blow on it.
You just disinfected it.
I thought you were supposed to blow.
No, you don't fucking blow on it.
Where did you learn that, Via?
I don't know. Wait, Doc, come back. When has the nurse ever blew on you? Alright, we're just gonna do this without.
Hell no, we're not. You're gonna make me squirt.
If sir,
No, I don't think Sarah's about to stop.
He's about to stop.
Damn, we're not gonna be able to do this. Hey, let me stick you with
Hell,
anyway.
get the fuck back. Real quick. Just listen to him. He'll tell you when.
And then just straight in.
Right.
Hey, stop bracing yourself.
I thought he missed. All right.
No, he's good.
Now that you're in,
Let it
start
go.
advancing. Yeah, you can. Going a little bit more. Going a little bit more with the needle. Okay. Yep. And then start advancing. Jesus Christ.
Pull it out now.
Yeah, not the needle, not the catheter. You're pushing the catheter in, motherfucker.
No, I know. I'm pulling this out.
You fucked it up. You fucked it up. Hold up.
God damn, Via, you're fucking tugging
What
on
do I
it.
do?
You didn't push in the catheter. Okay.
It's gonna squirt, guys. Get the fuck out of the way.
Get out of the way.
God,
No, seriously.
Honestly, just pull it all up. Pull it all
pull
up.
that bitch out. God damn,
I
Via.
thought.
Hey, maybe it's
Wait. You did blow the vein.
What does that mean?
That means you